Okay. Hello, everybody. Hope everything is well. Where we're at here today is continuation of another project we started a while back. I'm not sure if I posted it or not. I had it. Yeah. I had the footage, what have you. I had troubles with electronics, as from time to time everyone does. I lost a lot of stuff that I was recording. I don't post much, but yeah, I try. Anyway, ongoing project. This is the Predator generator, the 8300 watt. To back up a little bit, I picked up a unit a while back. I've been running it with a different engine, and that was skeptical at best, but it's been working. This engine here was basically shot. Where is some pieces? Where is right here? Right there. Here's the head that was off of it. Yeah, broken valve. So in the course of trying to get parts, it's taken quite a while to do something, because I wasn't actively seeking parts because it was working, but I had my eyes out on things for this. Nothing came about. Some parts were available, but not what I needed. It's rough to find parts for stuff like this, because not exactly a Honda, even though it's the same assembly line. Yeah. In the course of learning, I found some secrets, but over and above that, I wound up finding another unit with different sheet metal. Yeah. The same engine, you know, the values, what have you, cross-reference all the numbers. Yeah, it's a pain in the neck. So here's the cylinder head. I want to do the whole thing, not just a valve at this point. Where's the other piston? It's here. There it is. Down the back. Like that. Yeah. Everything turned out to be the same. It mic'd out. Yeah. There's 2 pistons that they'll use in these, and they're metric. You got to get the right one. That I didn't know until I actually got it out and bought the parts. It was a gamble. Turned out the same rod length, same piston, the same shaft size here. Yep. So yeah, we're going to be putting this together and see how things go. This has been apart a while. I got to clean it and this and that. A little bit of surface rust, if you can see in there. Getting it in time. I got to, in the nick of time. The journal down there, I got to make sure that's okay. I left everything oily. Had it boxed. Yeah. Have a lot of stuff to change over and things. Break all this apart. I need this. I need that. On this head. I could have bought the whole works, but the money thing. You know how everything goes. It's put aside. I can still get it later if this is what I want to play with. Whatever. I can go get parts. Yeah, no problem. So, finally getting this in. I'm going to feel good about this. So, all right. Stay tuned. Thanks for looking here. A short video. I guess this is going to wind up being a little bit of a series. So, yeah. Thank you. See you on the next.